The talk on the street, bullish sentiments are on the rise on hopes of peace talks. The big question, can Nifty gain for third straight day on backdrop of extremely oversold conditions? Our call of the day, cautious optimism shall prevail but the Gyan mantra is to tread carefully. The good news is that the street is not reacting to Trump's latest Iran threats negatively. President Donald Trump had ramped up his threats against Iran over the weekend, pledging strikes against key energy infrastructure if Tehran doesn't reopen the Strait of Hormuz. As per latest, the US President Donald Trump has said the deadline he has set for Iran to reach a deal by Tuesday is final, warning of consequences if an agreement is not reached. Trump's final deadline for Iran to reopen the Strait of Hormuz was set for Tuesday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time i.e. Wednesday, 8th April at 5:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Long story short, peace hopes could further fuel the rally, but Hormuz remains the key trigger. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's rebounding session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 8167 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 8089 crores. Sentiments are likely to be precarious for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate massive consolidation in a volatile trading environment. Fano April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled near 25.47 levels. At last check, USD INR, April, had plunged near 93.38 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th April, is at 0.96 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th April, is at 0.86. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to witness wild swings, but hopes of peace talks could provide a timely boost to the bulls. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 22968. Biggest support for Nifty is now placed at 22,681 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 23,187 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,700 and 23100. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 74107. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 72,729 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 75,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 72,900 to 73,900. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 52609. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 51,635 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,159 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,900 and 53,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. As we record, WTI crude futures have rebounded to above $112 per barrel after Trump says Iran could be taken out in a single night. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Trent Limited. Plus 7. 97%, 38.34. The operator of Westlife and Judio retail stores was in limelight after it said that its revenue in the last quarter of previous financial year, Q4 FY26, rose 20% annually to 4,937 crore rupees from 4,106 crore rupees in the same period last year. For financial year 2025 to 26, Trent's revenue jumped 18% annually to 19,701 crore rupees as against 16,668 crore rupees in the previous financial year. The company noted that its revenue from sale of merchandise, excluding other operating income, grew by 21% and 19% during the quarter and the year ended March 2026 respectively. 2. Senco Gold, plus 12%, 323.45. Shares of jewelry retailer Senco Gold rose after the company posted strong business growth for the quarter ended 31st March 2026 and the financial year 2025 to 26. In its business update for the fourth quarter of the financial year 2025 to 26, Senco Gold said it achieved a wedding season-led growth of 46% year-on-year. The Q4 top line consists of same-store sales growth, SSSG, of 34%. 3. Reliance, minus 3.39%, 1,304.7. Share price of Reliance Industries, RIL, hit an over 10-month low of 1,300 rupees and 20 paise in Monday's intraday trade. It had hit a 52-week low of 1,114 rupees and 85 paise on 7th April 2025. The price of WTI crude oil has spiked above psychologically important level of $112 per barrel amid escalating tensions in the Middle East.